Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you two ways on how to keep yourself organized in your closet space, especially for your face towels, hand towels, and even your bigger towels. So these are two simple ways that not only look neat, but they also keep them tidy and organized in your closet. So without further ado, let's get on to it. Hi, so what I have here in front of me is a hand towel. So what you want to do first is lay it flat on a flat surface and fold it in half, just like so. And then you want to take the lower portion and fold it halfway through, leaving about 2 inches on top. Then turn it over to the other side and fold it in half again. This time, start rolling. On the back part, you see that folded area we did earlier. So what you want to do is just pull it up so it covers that rolled area that we just did. Tidy the sides up, and there you have it. A towel nugget. Option number 2. Get another face towel or hand towel and lay it flat on a surface. Take the lower left bottom part of that towel and let it form a triangle with the topmost part. Then what you do next is turn it over to the other side. Then fold the lower half into the topmost half. Then all you have to do at this point is start rolling. With the tip, insert it on one of the sides. And that gives you a compact towel bundle.